everyone, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here to share a brand new subscription box with you. It's new to me, not new in the sense of it being new to maybe some others, but I haven't shared it on this channel before, and I actually had just received the June box as a gift from my husband. He was asking me some of the things that I might like, and so I found a couple of subscription boxes that I hadn't subscribed to yet, and I thought, well, I definitely like these as gifts, and as a bonus, I could even share them with you guys if you're interested in finding out more about these other boxes. So the one I have for you today is the Beads of the Month Club from Adornable Elements, and all the information will be down below. But they have all different clubs, and the one I am subscribed to is called the Double Rotating Beads of the Month Club. So they have a single rotating Beads of the Month Club where you can get a variety of things, but then they have the double, which gives you twice the amount of beads. And I'm going to start opening it so I can talk to you a little bit about what they offer while you can see what's in this box. So what I have for you today is my second shipment of this rotating Beads of the Month Club from July, and I have no idea what is in the box. When I open it for you and we look at it, I will also give you a peek at what I received in June to give you another idea. But the cost of this subscription is on the pricey side to me, maybe not to others, but to me. I am a little bit of a frugal person, and it's not like extreme, but it's just, you know, you could probably buy these beads for cheaper separately as not part of a subscription. So if you're looking for a bargain, this isn't for you. But if you're looking for a subscription that helps bulk up your stash, you can afford to be not as frugal, and you are looking to be more creative in terms of getting things as a surprise, and you don't want to really know what to expect, and you want to use that to your advantage to be creative, then this box is definitely for you. So I'm going to take this out and see what we received. Okay, awesome. So it looks like from the packing list, this one is called the July Box SuperDuos Country Jamboree theme. So the cost of it is $39.95 plus $4.50 shipping for a total of $44.45 if you're in the US. And they rotate between different types of beads. So last month I received Delicas. Of course, they are great quality. All these beads are great quality. And then looks like this month they've rotated to SuperDuos. And I just got done with another video sharing an update. And I made 2 bracelets that I had never made before with SuperDuos. And I was just saying I cannot wait to get some more colors because I used all the ones up that I had. But look, it comes in this nice case, which is great because I can always use more storage. So I'm going to open this up and take a look. We got our list on the front, and look at all these beautiful beads. So I'm going to take them out so the glare isn't getting to you as much. Wow. I'm so excited about all these SuperDuos. That's awesome. So we'll go and see what these colors are called. And you can get an idea for yourself if this might be a subscription that would be for you based on the quantities that they give and the types of beads that they're sending. So I'm just kind of trying to get my lighting a little bit better for you so the glare's not as bad. And I'm going to set these aside and we'll take a look. So awesome. Right off the bat, this has given me a stash of SuperDuos. So let's see. The first one are called Duets Navy and Ivory, full AB, and they give you the retail price of what you might expect to pay at a retail store. I'm the type of person that I really don't ever pay retail unless I have to. So I'm always looking for a way to get a discount or a sale, and I think a lot of people are probably that way. But they tell you here, you know, if you did pay retail, you'd probably expect to pay about $50.50. So for getting this box the way you do, they're saying there's a projection of a savings of $10.55. So, depending on how you look at it, it's not too bad. Let's see, full AB, so that would be these guys right here. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I think that's these. I don't want to steer you wrong. But because it says full AB, I do believe that's this color. And I don't think it's got the, oh yeah, it does. See, that's perfect. I love that they do that. They have the code matched up here with the sticker, so you know exactly what the color is. So yes, navy, ivory, full AB, and these are gorgeous. They come in these nice containers. They are so shiny. Take a look at that. Those are beautiful. Those are going to make some beautiful bracelets in the same style that I just did, I think. So that's really cool. And the next one is called Navy Ivory Matte Luster. And that would be this one right here. Matte Luster. Wow, cool. So you can see right off that, you know, these would go together. I can tell that they chose their colors carefully because they wanted to give people the option of putting different colors together. That way you didn't get, you know, just a whole bunch of random colors you couldn't mix that didn't really go well. So the third item we have are called Duets Navy Ivory Travertine. And that would be these. So more lovely navy. Take some of these out so you can really get a good look at them. So the beautiful travertine finish and the lovely two tones. So they're one color, the navy on one side with the travertine, and the other color on the other side. Gorgeous. Okay, and then for our fourth item, we have what's called Opaque Blue Travertine, which are these. So we see the opaque blue, lovely royal blue, with some of the greenish travertine that you usually see on that finish, which makes them look so unique and stunning. That's lovely. Okay. So they give you 8 containers that look like they're 20 grams each of the SuperDuos. And by the way, they have, let me list the clubs that they have for you. They have a Fire Polished Beads of the Month club, which is check glass, and it's all kinds of different shapes and sizes of the fire polished beads. They have what's called a Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month club, which is gonna, as the name states, give you a selection of what's new and hot in the bead world. So it could be different finishes, could be new shapes, but it'll be a variety of things. They have a 2-hole Beads of the Month club. They have the SuperDuos Beads of the Month club. They have 11-0 Delica's Beads of the Month club, 11-0 Seed Beads of the Month club, Swarovski Crystals of the Month club, and then lastly the Rotating Beads of the Month club, which is part of what I'm showing you here, and I'm going to give you a peek, like I said, of the June box so you get an idea of the 11-0 Delicas of the month. So if you wanted to, you could only sign up for SuperDuos, or you could only sign up for Seed Bead, for example. However, I have signed up, or my husband gifted me the subscription to the Rotating. So for a little while at least, I'll keep this going. So far, I'm really pleased with the beads that they've sent. So I'm very excited about that. So I'll get to share those with you hopefully the next few months at least, and I'm not sure how long I'll be able to keep up the subscription, but we'll see. We'll get through some of the rotation. That way you'll get an idea of some of the items that you get. Okay, so then the 5th item is called Sapphire. And that's got to be this one. Yep, this one. So beautiful. kind of transparent sapphire, SuperDuos. Great for coordinating with some of those other blue SuperDuos that you just saw. Then we have our 6th item, which is Ruby Capri Gold, which is this one. And that's lovely how it's ruby on one side, kind of transparent, and then on the other side, that stunning metallic Capri Gold. Beautiful. And I feel like it is so many, because I just did the dollar bead box order video where I showed how I got 5 containers for $5, which was an awesome deal. But the containers are just a fraction of this size. So, not that I expected it to be a lot, but when I see how much I was able to do with just a tiny amount of SuperDuos, I know that I'll be able to do quite a bit with the quantity that I'm showing you here. Okay, 7th is the Opal Red, which is, let's see, 250, which is this one. Absolutely adore red. And it's got the opal finish, which is cool because it's kind of like semi-transparent, not completely. It's kind of hard to explain. And it's not opaque either. So it's pretty cool if you can see it up close. So, great classic red. And then last but not least, the 7th color is called Ruby Picasso. This one. That's cool. Picasso finish is so lovely. Okay. So hopefully you can get an idea from the close-up how those look. They have a little bit of a speckled look, so they're kind of a transparent red, but then there's a element of what the Picasso adds, which is a little bit of speckly and shiny. Can't really think of any other way to describe it at this moment, but it really takes it up a notch from just a solid color. So that's it for the July SuperDuos of the Month Club from Adornable Elements. So as you can see, you definitely are getting quite a few SuperDuos in that club. They're 20 grams each. You get 8 containers. So you decide for yourself if that's something that would be cost effective for you, or maybe it's something that you'd like to receive yourself as a gift, you know, just for fun. But wow, I already now have a stash of SuperDuos, so that's exciting that in 1 month you get all those. Very cool. And a nice little storage container. So real quick before I let you go, I'm going to show you last month's that I just received because it was a gift, so I didn't see it come in the mail. But this is the June version, and this was the 11 Delicas. And because it was the very first month that I was signed up, they sent a free gift. So they sent a gift of 6mm Topaz Ceylon cubes, $13 value. And that was nice. So I do see on their website, if you're a first-time subscriber, or if you upgrade your subscription to another one, that they will gift you some Swarovski crystal beads. So that's always nice. And the June theme was called Chocolate Mint. So the Delicas that I received were all in beautiful shades of greens and browns. And you can take a look at them outside of the bag and see what you would get if you were signed up for either the rotating Beads of the Month Club or if you were just signed up for the Delicas Beads of the Month Club. but you'd get 4 containers of beads, and they typically coordinate them from what I understand so that you'll get colors that would work well together. And so as you can see, the chocolate and mint theme, got greens and browns, and they're beautiful, beautiful beads. The finishes are really cool. So I'm not going to point them all out, but here is the packing slip. I'll take it out of the bag. And you can see that they're saying that this would have been a $47 value if you paid retail price. It does list all of the different colors if you are interested in that. And, you know, again, I think for me, I could probably get the beads at a cheaper rate if I looked for sales, if I did some homework. Again, that would take some time, so you have to factor that in. What's your motivation for getting the subscription box? And just think about your own situation, if it'd be worth it to you. This definitely makes an awesome gift for beaders, especially if you know what shapes of beads they like to use, or if they like to be surprised and like to learn to do new things. So, hope that helps you guys with the Adornable Elements subscription. I should be back again next month to show you what I get next in the rotating Beads of the Month Club. I'm so excited. And I won't be continuing it forever, but for now, at least for the time being, I'll be able to show you what they send. So, anyway, thank you guys for being with me again for another fun unboxing. I always enjoy having you with me. Feel free to leave me a comment letting me know what you thought, or just stop by and say hello. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.